Welcome to Kooky Science, the channel where we take the universe's worst ideas, point at them, and say, really? This is how physics works? Today, we're talking about neutron stars, the cosmic equivalent of stuffing two elephants into a shoebox and then spinning it like a Beyblade on a sugar rush. Neutron stars are what happens when the universe decides, that star didn't suffer enough during the supernova. Let's ruin its life a little more. Let's explore why it really sucks to be a neutron. Spoiler. Everything is pain. Before we begin, hit that like button. It won't save a neutron star, but it will help this video escape YouTube's gravity. 1. Your birth is a cosmic crime. Your life begins with a supernova, which is basically a star exploding so violently it outshines an entire galaxy. Imagine being born by exploding so hard that space-time itself goes, bro, chill. When a star collapses, all your atoms get crushed, electrons get mashed into protons, protons become neutrons, and suddenly you're a dense nuclear meatball the size of a city. Congratulations, you're now a neutron star. You didn't sign up for this. Nobody voted on this. The universe just did it to you. And your density? Let's talk about that. 2. Your density makes no sense. You are now so dense that 1 teaspoon of you weighs roughly Mount Everest. Yes, a spoonful of your body equals the tallest mountain on Earth. Try putting that in a protein shake. Every cubic centimeter of you is jam-packed with neutrons touching each other like a crowded subway train at 5 p.m. after a BTS concert. But wait, it gets worse. Because all that density means your surface gravity is so intense that if a human stepped on you, they'd become a microscopic smear. Light bends around you like it's trying to avoid paying taxes. Time slows down near you. Yes, you literally age slower. Basically, you're a physics error that the universe never passed. 3. Gravity is an abusive relationship. Your gravity is 100 billion times stronger than Earth's. Not a little stronger. Not, oh wow, that's heavy. No, your gravity is so clingy that it grabs onto light, actual light. You know, the thing that weighs nothing? Even light looks at you and says, no thanks, I'm good. Your gravitational pull is so strong that if someone dropped a marble onto your surface, the impact would release more energy than a nuclear bomb. Marble. If you had feelings, this would hurt. But you don't, because your atoms were destroyed at birth. If you're enjoying this cosmic suffering, hit the like button. Otherwise, you might collapse into a neutron star yourself. Results may vary. 4. You spin. Like a drill bit on cafe. Most neutron stars spin 30 times per second. But the real disasters, the pulsars, spin 700 times per second. Yes, 700. Imagine spinning so fast that if you sneezed, you'd fling yourself into another dimension. You rotate faster than a blender, a jet turbine, Sonic the Hedgehog, your life falling apart in high school. Each rotation blasts a beam of radiation through space. This beam sweeps across the universe like a cosmic lighthouse screaming, "Hey everyone, I'm having a bad time." If Earth were unlucky enough to get hit by one, instant extinction. Goodbye. Game over. But the universe is big, so we survive out of pure luck, not design. 5. Magnetars, the horror mode. Version. If being a neutron star wasn't enough suffering, you might become a magnetar, the upgraded version, with even more trauma. Magnetars have the strongest magnetic fields in the universe. Not stronger than your fridge no, stronger than MRI machines, industrial electromagnets, literally anything humans have invented. Your uncle's political opinion, their magnetic field is so powerful that it can rip electrons off atoms, erase credit cards from 100,000 kilometers away, stretch human atoms into spaghetti. If you got within 1,000 kilometers of a magnetar, your atoms would literally unalign. You would become smoothie. 6. Stark. You shake yourself apart. Neutron stars experience starquakes, which are like earthquakes, but for stars. Your crust cracks under the pressure and releases more energy than what our sun emits in 10,000 years. Just imagine your entire body yelling "enough" and exploding slightly. These quakes cause glitches, sudden changes in your rotation speed. In human terms, your entire body has random panic attacks where you start spinning even faster. You're basically a cosmic fidget spinner with anxiety. If your day is still going better than a neutron star's, subscribe. It's free. And unlike a magnetar, it won't erase your atoms. 7. You live a boring, painful billion years. Neutron stars don't get to do anything fun. You don't orbit planets. You don't shine like a normal star. You don't host life. You don't form solar system. You just sit there, spinning, glowing, blasting radiation, shaking, slowly dying. Your entire existence is vibe in space and suffer silently. Basically, you're the universe's most depressed middle manager. 8. Your death is even worse than your life. Eventually, you slow down or collide with another neutron star. If you collide, oh boy, the explosion creates gravitational waves, gold, platinum, uranium, gamma rays, a cosmic mess. Your death is so violent, it literally produces jewelry. Human engagement rings? Yeah, those come from neutron star collisions. But you don't get to enjoy that, you just get obliterated. If you don't collide, you eventually cool down into a cold, lonely lump of dead nuclear matter. No fireworks, just emotional damage. So, why does it suck to be a neutron star? Because your entire existence is just being crushed, spinning uncontrollably, shooting deadly radiation, glitching, quaking, and eventually exploding again. You are the universe's way of saying, let's take physics and break it. If you enjoyed today's episode of Cosmic Pain, drop a comment. Who should suffer next? Black holes? Atomic nuclei? A jellyfish? Trust me, they're all having a bad time. And subscribe for more kooky science every week.